Hi, I'm Elliot, and today I present to you the 50-inch accessory table for the DT-10 Max. To start, let's see the assembly. Using the accessory table, you can cut tiles up to 50 inches long. As you're cutting your large format tiles, the weight of the tile is going to be transferred from one side of the machine over to the other. And to add stability to the system, you have these two additional legs that are attached to the support system that goes under the machine. These reinforced aluminum guides offer greater stability and durability to the table. The 50-inch accessory table is compatible with the side extension just like the original table. And it also has these 6 holes and a water collecting tray underneath to help with recycling the water. Those are the characteristics, and now we're going to see it in action. That's our video on the 50-inch accessory table for the DT-10 Max. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to contact us via our social media or our website, rubi.com, and I'll see you at the next video.